Welcome to our video guide on managing ordered products reports. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of utilizing the Ordered Products Report module. This tool allows you to generate detailed reports on ordered products, providing valuable insights for optimizing your business operations. To get started, ensure you have the Ordered Products Report module installed via the App Shop. Once installed, navigate to the Reports and Ordered Products tabs to explore the full capabilities of this feature. Under the Ordered Products tab, discover the flexibility to filter your report data using multiple search criteria. Utilize available filters such as order status, sales channels, category, subcategory, country, orders, and sale ID by selecting the required options from the drop-down lists. The report is presented in a table format, featuring default columns like products, quantity, product price, sales summary, and purchase sum. Customize your view by adding columns such as show order, categories, country, sale price, and purchase price. Simply check the box next to the desired column to tailor the report to your specific needs. Efficiently analyze trends by generating reports for selected periods. Use the drop-down calendar and a quick search option to pinpoint the information you need, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of your ordered products. Need to share or analyze your ordered products reports externally? Click on the Export button to effortlessly export your data to a CSV file. For convenient management of a large number of records, customize the display of record quantity per page. Simply select your preferred number from the drop-down list. With these tips, managing your ordered products reports becomes a straightforward process. Optimize your insights into ordered products today, and thanks for watching.